Unlocking the mystery of binding adjustment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in different contexts: binding adjustment. Stick around as we unravel its meanings and uses, ensuring you can confidently use or understand it in your conversations or readings. Binding adjustment refers to the process of modifying or setting the bindings on equipment, most commonly skis or snowboards, to ensure they fit the user correctly and operate safely. But it's not just about sports equipment. This concept can metaphorically extend to adjusting or fine-tuning other things in life or work to make sure they are just right. In the context of skiing or snowboarding, the importance of binding adjustment cannot be overstated. Proper adjustment ensures that the bindings release the boots at the right moment during a fall, minimizing the risk of injury. It's a critical safety measure that protects the user. Metaphorically, the concept of making necessary adjustments or fine-tunings in various aspects of life emphasizes the importance of precision and customization in achieving optimal performance or satisfaction. In sports, before hitting the slopes, I took my skis to the shop for a binding adjustment to ensure my safety. Metaphorical use: after the project feedback, the team made some binding adjustments to the plan, ensuring a smoother execution. While the literal process involves technical steps specific to the equipment, the metaphorical process of making a binding adjustment in life or work involves 1. Assessment, identifying what needs adjustment. 2. Modification, making the necessary changes or tweaks. 3. Testing, ensuring the adjustments have the desired effect. Understanding the term binding adjustment not only enhances your vocabulary but also enriches your comprehension of how certain principles apply both literally and metaphorically in our lives. Whether you're gearing up for a mountain adventure or fine-tuning aspects of your personal or professional life, the concept of making precise adjustments is universally applicable. We hope this explanation helps clarify the term and inspires you to make your own adjustments wherever needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to adjust your learning process to make the most out of it.